Guess what? Tomorrow is going to be one of those days that starts out nice, ends up hazy, and those of you who have issues, respiratory problems, may notice it's a little too hazy. Code orange air quality alert will be in that unhealthy for some group. Our first ozone action day of the year. Certainly not the last. 78 degrees outside right now. Clear skies. It's really lovely currently. 90 was our high. We've now had 12 so far this year. Last year by this time we had 21, including a record high on this day 1 year ago of 99 degrees. Currently, we're in the 70s across all of central Texas with absolutely clear skies. We'll keep the clear skies with hazy sunshine developing by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, right around 92. The record is 98. Also from 1 year ago. Big picture right now is pretty quiet. What I'm watching to our north is our next cold front. It's going to be sliding southward. It arrives here Friday night into early Saturday, and ahead of and along it, as you can see, it's going to be another weather alert. It does appear that we will be in the zone for potential large hail, high winds, and maybe even some flooding just because we're saturated. We've only had a couple of days break, and more rain could cause issues if we get more than an inch or two. Level 2 out of 5 risk for the majority of our area, level 1 for folks out into Fayette County. So here's your hour by hour forecast. Tomorrow, by about lunchtime, we're already in the 80s. By afternoon, high temperature of 92 degrees, a southeasterly wind starting to increase the humidity a bit. That humidity will be in place, adding to the instability, which will build up on Friday. We start out around 70, by midday about 86. By afternoon, the first showers and storms may start to develop out in the hill country. Now, some computer models keep the majority of this in the hill country. This one actually pulls it right into the Austin area around 6, 7 o'clock on Friday evening, and then farther to the south. This is all ahead of the actual front, which will finally start to move in late night on Friday through the overnight Saturday, possibly with another round of rain. So when all is said and done, there's about a 1 in 3 chance right now. I'm not totally confident this is going to materialize. Less to the east, more to the west, and potentially some flooding concerns as well. That will be our lone severe weather threat for this upcoming 7-day period. After that, the weekend cools out of the 90s into the 80s. We can't rule out a spotty shower or two, but for the most part, just partly cloudy skies.
Thanks, Chicago.